Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you all how to mute messages on TikTok. So let's get started. It's pretty simple and easy. Tap inbox at the bottom. Here tap on messages. Open any conversation which you want to mute on a TikTok. For example, this conversation. And now we should tap on three dots at the top right corner. And here you will see mute notifications. Swipe the slider to the right side, and when anyone from this conversation write you something, you not will see any notification. So if you want to unmute on this conversation or another different conversation, you again tap on three little dots on conversation and swipe the slide to the left side to unmute notification. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.